Hi everyone and welcome back to Reeta Soul Food. Today we're making Pitta pockets filled with yummy salad. Please do subscribe for new recipes each week and hit the bell notification to be informed of new videos coming up. Thank you so much. This is a really healthy snack. It can be used for lunch or you can bulk it up for dinner as well. So let's get started. You'll need some pita bread, and what I've done is just chop the ends off so that allows for us to create the pocket, and with the extra bits that you have you can even chop them up and put them in. So these are the bits that I was referring to. You can chop them up, put them in, or you can just have it as a snack, keep it on the side, feed it to the birds. Here is the salad. You can really use any filling that you like. You can add gherkins here. For example, I haven't got gherkins, but I've got red cabbage and cucumber, lettuce, iceberg lettuce. I've used some cherry plum tomatoes and some black olives. Please do subscribe if you want to for new recipes, and check out the other recipes on Reeta Soul Food. Thank you. So we're ready to go in and fill the pittas now with the salad that we prepared earlier. You'll notice that I've cut the cucumber lengthways, and even if you put in gherkins, if you put it in this way, it's just easier to put it in and eat it as well. Intermittently, I'll be adding some vegan mayonnaise, chili mayonnaise, so you can add in some sauces intermittently as well, so you've got that flavour running through and keep it slightly more interesting. So we can go in and load up the second one now. Please let me know in the comments below what is your favourite filling. Thank you so much for watching and joining our growing community. Until the next time, goodbye.